This new listing checks your location box. Only 5 minutes away from Highway 400, all amenities, the GO station, and of course, Barrie's beautiful waterfront. Hi, I'm Veronica McNamara with the Jackie Jones team over at Remax Crosstown. And I'm excited to bring you our newest listing at 148 Loon. This open concept bungalow features 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, fully finished top to bottom with no carpet in sight. And who wouldn't love cooking in this fabulous kitchen? Featuring granite countertops, tumbled travertine floors and backsplash, and a very convenient inside entry from the garage right into the kitchen to bring those groceries in with ease. Another reason you will love this home is because it has its own solar panel system that earns, on average, a couple $100s a month. Now, who wouldn't love a home that has a little passive income? This fully finished basement offers a 3rd bedroom, a full bathroom, a great office space, huge rec room, more storage space, and even a cold cellar. For more information on this listing or any of our others, please find us on all social media platforms or at our website, Joneshomes.ca.